Okay, it looks like it's coming now. The CPKC freight train. Double stacks. Here in the rain. On the 23rd of May, 2025. Single locomotive up front. Single ES44. At about 6:10 p.m. at Dorval on the 23rd of May 2025. Same day I got really lucky. Elton and I over at St. Ambroise Street, we saw that Canadian National Bud 1955 basically vintage RDC car that's been repurposed as a geometry car to read track imperfections, and that video will probably be already up once you see this one. A bit chilly today, about 10 degrees and drizzle. Pretty cold for Montreal at this time of year. And right now we should be in like 15-20 degrees. So honestly, it's a bit disappointing. Our spring is a bit more cool than I would like it. There's going to be a DpU on this train for sure. Only one on the front, gotta have one in the middle somewhere. Or when pushing. Here it is. and City Southern. Yeah, I love those Kansas City Southern Bells. And that's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains on Montreal in this cool spring day. Have a good day.